Welcome back to A Future Fuel, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most beloved crossovers on the market, the 2025 Toyota RAV4. With its refreshed design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled versatility, this compact SUV is set to redefine its segment once again. Let's jump right into it. Design. Toyota has taken the 2025 RAV4's design up a notch, blending ruggedness with modern sophistication. The front fascia sports a more aggressive grille and sleek LED headlights, giving it a bold, commanding presence on the road. The bumper has been slightly resculpted for a sharper, more aerodynamic look, while the rear gets an updated taillight design and a reworked bumper that enhances its sporty appeal. The RAV4 now offers new color options, including a striking electric blue metallica and an earthy copper canyon brown, alongside dual-tone paint schemes for higher trends. Whether you're heading to the mountains or cruising through the city, the 2025 RAV4's updated aesthetics ensure you do so in style. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 provides a range of options to suit every driver. The base model comes equipped with Toyota's reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 203 horsepower. But the real star of the lineup is the hybrid variant, which combines efficiency and performance like never before. The RAV4 Hybrid now boasts an upgraded system that produces 222 horsepower while achieving an impressive 41 miles per gallon all combined. For those who crave an even greener option, the plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime continues to shine with 302 horsepower and an all-electric range of up to 46 miles. Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system comes standard on higher trims, offering superior traction and control for any adventure. Whether it's rain, snow, or uneven terrain, the 2025 RAV4 is built to handle it all. Interior. Step inside the 2025 RAV4, and you'll notice a cabin that's both functional and luxurious. Toyota has upgraded the materials throughout, with soft touch surfaces, premium stitching, and available leather upholstery. The center console features an enlarged 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The digital driver display has been revamped to provide customizable information at a glance, and higher trims include a head-up display for added convenience. Rear passengers will appreciate the spacious legroom and reclining seats, making long trips a breeze. Toyota also knows how important cargo space is for families and adventurers alike. The 2025 RAV4 offers up to 69.8 cubic feet of cargo capacity, with the rear seats folded down, ensuring there's plenty of room for all your gear. Technology. When it comes to tech, the 2025 RAV4 doesn't disappoint. Toyota has included its latest, a Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a new intersection assist system to keep you safe in busy urban environments. The RAV4 also introduces over-the-air updates, ensuring your vehicle stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. And for audiophiles, the available JBL premium sound system delivers crystal clear audio, making every journey enjoyable. Trims and pricing. The 2025 RAV4 comes in a variety of trims, from the budget-friendly to the feature-packed, a limited, and the rugged Authority off-road. Pricing starts at around $29,000 and for the base model, with the hybrid options beginning at $33,000, and the plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime starts at approximately $42,000 but qualifies for federal and state incentives, making it a compelling choice for eco-conscious buyers. Conclusion. With its updated design, improved technology, and versatile performance options, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to set the standard in the compact SUV category. Whether you're looking for efficiency, style, or adventure-ready capability, the RAV4 has something for everyone. Thank you for tuning in to A Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world. What do you think of the 2025 Toyota RAV4? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled for the future.